everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Starfield's new Atlantis ship technician vendor missing. So in order for us to find out, this is a very informative website wherein Starfield is a thrilling space game that got gamers all over the world excited. So if there are errors like vendors missing, then what we can do here is to first go ahead and check our saved game so we can try to restart saving your current game progress and restart the game, and then check if the technician or the vendor is still missing out or not. Then the second thing is we have to check for updates, make sure that your app is updated. Then you can open the Steam client on your computer, check on the library tab, find Starfield in your list of games, and if it needs to be updated, then it should be automatically start downloading to your PC. That if there's no update available, then you may try restarting Steam or your computer to see if it triggers an update. So hopefully that this will help. Then you can also do the other things here by verifying the file game. If this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.